Hi, my name is Chuck Hall. I'm one of the owners of ABC Seamless here in Cheyenne. We do seamless steel siding, rain gutters, and replacement windows. We've been in Cheyenne for 24 years now. Thoroughly love and enjoy this town. It's been a great town to own a business in, and it's been a great town for family also. We've great schools, great community, plenty of things to do. And some of the things that I like is there's no traffic jams. It's just a nice, wonderful, smaller community, but still with plenty of amenities. The big city down in Denver is only an hour and a half away, and you don't have to live there to enjoy some of that because it's close enough to get there and back. But really, what a nice town. I have a couple kids in school, have had a great experience with that. You know, plenty of sports and activities and extracurricular activities for them. And just really enjoy this town. And again, it's just easy and fun to get around in. The crime is low. We live in a wonderful neighborhood with great friends and neighbors. So it's really a great small town with plenty of amenities and plenty of things to do. And it's kind of the best of both worlds, in my opinion.